My name is Patrick Mule.
Minister wa Onjoria na Iganda Peter Munya augete thirikari ni ihariirie kurugamirira mawira ta macio na besha oro hamwe na kunyitwo baru ni honge itiganite cia thirikari nene.
I want to assure him the support of the national government and national government agencies in making sure this program you have started, or supporting innovations, or supporting SMEs that are starting up in the industrial sector is supported.
Munya augete bururi ndungikura angikorwo aikari aguo othe ni kuhuthira indo na gutire athondeki ya indo.
Consumers, you consume but you don't produce anything. Will you become wealthy? How? If you have no cow, kazi yako ni kununua maziwa tu, na una kitu kingine wewe unauza, wewe ni kununua peke yake, hiyo pesa ya kununua itatoka wapi? Si lazima uwe kuna kitu na wewe pia una produce, ndio ukinunulia yule mwingine maziwa na unamuuzia kitu fulani.
KAE, Industrial Bank and others, come and work with us and let us invest in these SMEs.
Ona kuri oguo Professor Nick Wanjohi ura ni mwonjoria wi ngumo na mutarani wa maundu ma utonga wa bururi augite ti uthunduri wothe ungirehera bururi kana andu besha na kwa oguo he bata wa guthondeka indo iria ingiteithiriria muingi.
Not all innovation lead to economic development. Are we together? Not all.
Retana ni reikite kuri thirikari cia county kunyita onjoria nini baru amu acio nio mangituma Kenya ikure na ikorwo na uhoti wa gucindana na mabururi mangi. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Helen Maina.